Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I have finally upgraded this machine, that Windows 10 machine that I have, to 21H2. Now, I told you when I posted the first series of videos on the availability that I didn't have it through Windows Update. So what I did is I used the second option where I showed you where you can download it or download the image via the media creation tool. What I did is I clicked Update Now on the web page. It downloaded and installed in about, on this machine, I'd say the total process of the download and the install phase probably took something like 25 minutes. And it was at Windows 10 21H2. Now, you can check out if you have been updated, because with the WinVer command or Windows version command, you can check out that you're at 19.044 and also version 21H2. So this is the latest version. The ending here, 1348, is the same ending as version 2004, version 20H2, version 21H1, and version, of course, 21H2, because the core is the same pretty much. But they have a small one increment. So you're 19.041, 19.042, 19.043, and 19.044, depending on the version you are at. I didn't have any problems. Everything went well. The download, the install phase, nothing seemed to have gone wrong. Once it restarted, it just told me one thing. It said, hey, if you have files that were on your PC, but that were actually removed on OneDrive, they'll also be removed on the PC here, which I think is fine, since I don't, if they were removed on OneDrive, it's because I wanted to remove them everywhere. But apart from that, nothing new. One of the things that some have mentioned, the Microsoft Store, because a lot of you have been telling me, oh, the new Microsoft Store is in 21H2. No, it's not dependent on a version of Windows. The new Microsoft Store is rolling out to everyone slowly. I still don't have it here on Windows 10, but anyone that is on version 2004 or later. So you could be on 20H2, you could be on 21H1, and eventually you'll actually use the Microsoft Store and you'll have the new store available. I would guess that maybe the reason I don't have the new store is because I'm in Canada and it might be rolling out to the United States first. But apart from that, it's not a 21H2 feature at all. The new store is rolling out to everybody in Windows 10. So if you are on an older version, you'll get it, except not older than version 2004, any supported version if you want. So seems to go well. If I have any observations, anything going wrong, I'll let you know. A lot of you are asking me what's new in here. I'll have a detailed video of exactly what's new, but not a lot is new actually. And pretty much things that are new in here are pretty much things that are not visible or not something that you'll be using unless you have specific hardware or demands for it. So don't expect, don't expect to go to 21H2 and it's like, oh wow, this is a cool new version of Windows. It's Windows 10. It's, you won't see any differences with the previous versions. You have more differences from version 2004 to 21H2 than you have if you move from 21H1 to 21H2. And of course, like I said, you don't see it in Windows Update. Don't hurry. You don't have to get it. But it seems to be rolling well here after the update that I did. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.